Hi, I'm Terry, a long-time resident. Just moved in this area 4 years ago. My first encounter with Gabe and his wife, we were in the backyard doing some lawn maintenance and stuff, and I was coming outside, and he came across, introduced himself and his wife, Yolanda, and yeah, it just slowly developed. And then after a while, I just noticed that he was having some hard times, and I noticed that a few things started disappearing, so I kind of inquired what was going on. He told me about his wife, how she was getting ill and had to sell some things to accommodate for the expenses of keeping his wife in a home so that he could cover the expenses of keeping her there. So I thought I'd nominate him for getting a new furnace through Field to Love. Yeah, and I was really happy that he actually got nominated and everything. And then I'm really excited that Arpi's came and did all the work. It's costing him a lot of money to keep her in a home, and he's on a pension, so it's a fixed income. He's a great guy, just plain and simple. He's awesome. He would help you in a heartbeat with anything. I just thought he could definitely use it. Start to finish, you find a friend, family, anybody that you think feels that they need a furnace or anything help. Go on to fieldtolove.com. It's a step-by-step program. You just fill in the answers. It was really easy, only took about 5 minutes. And then you just submit it, and then they send you a reply saying, yes, thank you for your confirmation. Yeah, it's super easy. A good candidate would be somebody that you know, like a friend, family, relatives, anybody like that, that you know is like in a hardship, having a hard time financially, and then you know that they're having, right now with winter coming, might have more difficulty or not be able to afford a new furnace. This is a really good way for them to get one. It's, like I said, it's really easy to nominate them. It's only like a 5-7 minute fill out. For the process of doing Field to Love, we came in here for 8 o'clock this morning. They're all volunteer work from Arpi's. It was a donated furnace from Lennox, which was awesome. It takes roughly about 4 hours to do an install, take out. What they're doing here is we did a humidifier, a general air filter, new exhaust, new fresh air, chimney liner. All the people are just volunteering their time out of their own free will, and it's just awesome.